The insulation is damaged on most of these.
But the copper inside is pure. I'll give it to you for 45.
Done. We will take it all.
Careful with that bundle, move it up. Got it, push from your side. Make sure it's secure before we leave.
Lift it up.
Hook it here, how much?
85. Bring the next one quickly.
All right, truck number 42B. Make sure to log the wire tight.
Keep it moving slowly now. Watch the gap.
Lane 4, back it up slowly. We need the thick gauge wires over here first.
Slow down, easy now. Okay, hold it right there. We are good.
Is this the steel shipment for Springfield?
That's right, bill of lading is in the box.
Perfect, you're good to go.
I'll bump the speed up slightly.
The cuts look clean at this rate.
Perfect, maintain this setting.
The copper looks clean.
Still some heavy pieces in the plastic stream.
These look good. Make sure they don't tangle up going into the dryer.
Yeah, I'm spreading them out now.
I've increased the temperature by 5 degrees. Much better. The shine is consistent now.
The feed rate seems high. Adjust the dial down slightly.
Done.
It's stable now.
Watch the level on mold 3. Skimming it now, almost clear.
The flow is smooth at the gate.
Maintain speed.
We are almost at the mold.
Keep going, it's almost clear. All right, steady now. Almost there.
This one is slightly off center.
Okay, the shine looks good though. Shine looks good. Make sure these are tight before we wrap.
Got it. Hold your side over first.
Okay, pulling it now.